Last year, I invested a significant amount of money in various market research reports, hoping to gain valuable insights that would drive my business forward. I was eager to gather data and understand market trends and consumer behavior. However, after lots of time and expense, I had an eye-opening realization. I could access around 80% of the same insights for free. Today, I want to share with you the exact three tools I now use consistently, which have proven to be reliable and cost-effective. When it comes to understanding trends in the digital landscape, my go-to resource is definitely Google Trends. This tool serves as my starting point for most inquiries into what's popular and what people are searching for. For instance, when I look into the term meal planning apps, it's interesting to see how interest peaks every January. Do we know why that is? Likely driven by New Year's resolutions, as many people commit to healthier eating habits and want to become more organized in meal prep. It's important to remember that when we see numbers like 100 on Google Trends, this number represents a peak in interest relative to other periods and not a raw count of people. So, while it might seem that a topic is gaining traction, it's always essential to consider the context of these figures. Keeping in mind these trends, I can gain valuable insights into consumer behavior and seasonal patterns. This helps predict which products or services might see increased demand and assists in tailoring marketing strategies. The real value is comparison. Add a comparison term, nutrition tracking. Meal planning gets 5 times more searches than nutrition tracking. That shows the market is whizzing. Download the comparison data and we will import it to our dashboard shortly. Industry association reports are a fantastic resource for anyone looking to gather reliable and valuable data without incurring costs. These reports often cover a wide array of topics and provide insights that can be critical for making informed decisions. When conducting your searches, try using the file type PDF operator in your queries. This technique can help you locate actual reports that are published in PDF format, which tend to be more accessible and easier to read. While many reports from these industry associations are genuinely free to access, it's important to note that some may require you to sign up with your email address. However, the wealth of information you can gain is often worth it. These reports can provide statistical data, market trends, and expert analyses that are essential. Tool number 3 is utilizing government databases, which offer a wealth of free yet complex data. These databases can serve as valuable resources for understanding market contexts, such as employment numbers in the food services sector. By analyzing this information, businesses can gain insights into trends, workforce dynamics, and potential growth areas in the market. In addition, platforms like Ibis World provide free industry snapshots that can be helpful for basic market sizing. These snapshots offer a quick overview of key metrics, helping you understand the competitive landscape and identify emerging opportunities. Leveraging both government databases and platforms like Ibis World allows you to create a more informed business strategy, ultimately leading to better decisions and a clearer understanding of the market environment, whether you're starting a new venture or looking to expand an existing business. Now let's get started on organizing our data properly for better analysis. First, let's create 3 essential tabs to keep everything structured: data sources, trends data, and market overview. Each of these tabs will serve a specific purpose in our analysis process. In the Data Sources tab, set up the following columns: source to identify where your data is coming from, URL to link back to the source, data type to clarify what type of data you're dealing with, key finding for summarizing the most important insights, date accessed for tracking when you retrieved the data, and reliability rated on a scale from 1 to 5 to evaluate the trustworthiness of the information. Next, we will import the Google Trends data into the Trends Data tab. This will allow us to visualize trends over time and identify any significant patterns in the market. Lastly, don't forget to add your industry report findings to the Market Overview tab. This will provide a comprehensive view of the market landscape and support our decision-making process with relevant insights. By setting up this dashboard, we'll have a clear and organized framework to analyze our market data effectively. Let's get to work. Your task is to spend 10 to 15 minutes with the sources and document 5 specific data points. This quick approach will help to quickly identify the strengths and limitations of these tools.